federal probe into Missouri medical marijuana licensing that might be ongoing, according to documents. Well, Marijuana Moments reporting that a spokesperson for the FBI said the agency cannot confirm nor deny the existence of an investigation. And nobody likes to hear that. But still,
That always means yes.
yeah, it's by Steve Vodrock and Jason Hancock of the Missouri Independent. Federal law enforcement is still seeking information as recently as last summer about medical marijuana licensing in Missouri and utility contracts and independents that have attracted FBI scrutiny for years. That's according to sworn depth testimony from a Kansas City area businessman that surfaced publicly last week. The deposition of Joseph Campbell, the owner of real estate development firm Titanfish, was conducted in November as part of an ongoing defamation lawsuit he and his company filed in 2020 against the City of Independence and 2 city council members. Excerpts of the deposition became public last week after they were filed in Jackson County by Independence attorneys.
So I wonder what's the crime though? I mean, defamation?
No, I highly doubt it's defamation. Usually, if there is a federal probe going on in medical cannabis licensing, it has to do with bribes. It has to do with some type of cause of action outside of the actual medical thing itself. Otherwise, the Department of Justice doesn't have any appropriations of federal funds to do such investigations.
Well, I just think it's funny how we talk about like the actual like grows and farms and stores and whatnot, or actual monopolies, but yet they're going to go after these like the lab testings for what kind of racketeering, what kind of the monopolies are being held. They're the license, the governing bodies. That's who's guilty, not for not allowing enough licenses or not allowing enough regulation. I don't understand how a lab could be. I mean, unless they're falsifying things. I mean, but you're a lab. You have the opportunity to do all the right things because you're not touching the flower.
I'm sure that they don't. Yeah, they don't do the right things. They do the things they can get away with.
True enough.
Yeah.
You want to do something? Okay.
Well, I'm just reviewing this thing, and it's not as great of an article as I would have hoped. But yeah, there is something going on in medical marijuana in Missouri that might be a little fishy.
But the draw ire from the Fed, that's just crazy to me. Like, what kind? Maybe they're funneling money. Maybe it's just a what do you call it when you just like when you own strip clubs to funnel money? Oh, laundry. Use for laundry.
Right. Financial and those types of financial crime. Yeah. Sure. Yeah. Money laundering. That's it. Money laundering is a federal crime. Maybe it is. He's a real estate developer, but it's very often you'll see municipalities and bribes in the industry, and so like that's where you see a lot of federal actions that are coming because they aren't allowed to arrest you for the weed anymore. But if there is any impropriety in obtaining the license for that weed, quid pro quo and whatnot, then they can get you on various other things.